Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Skillshare TV. Today we're gonna talk about English grammar and vocabulary. So don't skip this video. This video help you for improving your grammar. I can provide a detailed explanation of English grammar and vocabulary along with some examples. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, just do it so you can get every incoming new videos. Let's start with the grammar. Grammar refers to the set of rules governing the use of language. It encompasses the way in which words are used, how sentences are constructed, and how they convey actual meaning. Good grammar is essential for the effective communication as it ensures that our message is clear and easy to understand. These are several aspects of English grammar, including all as follows. So start with the example. First of all, we discuss about noun. Noun refer to the people, place, ideas like the dog, chair, the ball. Verb that describe, express, acting. Adjective, he is a tall man. Adjective describe, modify noun and pronoun. Adverb modify verb and adjective. She speaks softly. Pronoun words that replace noun and pronoun. Preposition, she is sitting on the chair. The word that indicate relationship. Conjunction, he will either take the bus or walk to work. Like connect word with each other. Interjection, that express strongly feeling, oh no, I forgot my keys. So sentence structure are made up of clauses and phrases, which are group of words that convey a specific meaning. A sentence must have a subjective and a predicate. Simple sentence like the cats sit on the mat. Compound, that cat sat on the mat and dog sleep in its bed. Complex means because the cat sit on the mat, that's why dog sleep in its bed. Verb tenses, verb can be used in different tenses depending on when the action take place. These main tenses are present, past and future. Present tense means I eat breakfast every morning, and past I ate breakfast, and future I will eat breakfast tomorrow. And we are talking about tomorrow, future. Voice, the voice of a verb refers to whether the subject is performing the action, active voice, or receiving the action, passive voice. So if we talk about active voice and passive voice, you see that active voice is that the boys kicked the ball, and passive voice, the ball was kicked by the boy. So this is the difference between active voice and passive voice. Agreement, the subject and verb in a sentence must agree in number, like singular or plural. Every sentence depends singular subjects or plural subjects. Like singular subject that the cat is sleeping, we talk about one cat. And plural mean plural subject, the cat are sleeping. What mean? We are talking about many cats. Now let's move on the vocabulary. Vocabulary refers to the words we use to communicate. Having a strong vocabulary is essential for effective communication. There are several ways to build your vocabulary. So we are discussing these ways. Reading is one of the best way to improve your vocabulary. Flashcards are a great tool for memorize new words. And here are some examples. So vocabulary apps, lot of vocabulary apps. Like there are several vocabulary buildings apps available that offer a variety of exercises and games. You have to learn new words and new words, collection of words. Write a day calendar. This calendar provide a new each day along with its definition and its sample sentence. Some examples are putting here. Hopefully you enjoy this video and you learn something. If you like this video, just press like button and comment.